Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the brightness of the screen on HP Victus 16. In order to change the brightness of the screen, you can easily do this by there are two ways of doing that. You can either click on this control center button here and then adjust the brightness simply. But you can also do it with a keyboard. On the keyboard you'll see the F2 and F3 buttons, and sometimes they'll work just single-handedly, but most of the times they will work combined with the FN key. So you may need to click on FN and F2 at the same time to turn the brightness down, or FN and F3 to turn the brightness up. And this is dependent on the function keys mode, which you can customize. So if you want to customize the function keys mode, you can find a video on our channel on how to do it on this laptop. You'll just need to enter the BIOS and change it there. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.